guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this eye look that I'm wearing right now. I actually wanted to pull out this again. I haven't used this in a wee while and I know it is like one of my favourites. I have used the shit out of this palette, so I just kind of wanted to pull it out again, and I was feeling a sort of orangey brown eye, which I probably shouldn't have done because I was bad. I gave in and ordered the melt stack. What was it? The Rust Melt Stack from Beauty Bay. I know I shouldn't have. That was bad. But I did anyway, and it's got these sort of colours in it, so I'm thinking to myself, what an idea. Why are you not steering away from this so that you can actually use that when it arrives? But anyway, this is what I decided to do today, and yeah, I was playing with makeup. I did actually do a review on Flower Beauty. I will put it up here for you. It's not really a review, it's more of a first impressions. So if you want to watch that, it'll be up there so you can actually go and see what I thought of it. But I'm wearing that on my face just now, but they didn't have any eye products, so I thought we'll do an eye tutorial at the same time because you know I like to film a few videos in the same day, and I don't know why, but this just sort of jumped into my hands. So yeah, I absolutely love this palette. If you have this palette, obviously this is another look that you can create. It's nothing revolutionary. It's really, really easy to do. It's really good for hooded eyes, and I'm going to stop rambling now and let you see how I did it. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!